Today I made Maria's zero carb keto bread and my life will never ever be the same. I use this egg white protein powder and pure allulose sweetener. These are very important ingredients. You have to use them. I got my stand mixer out and preheated the oven to 325. 1.5 cups of the egg white powder and 1/3 cup of allulose sweetener. I used cream of tartar, that's 1/2 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. I blended the dry ingredients and then I added 1.5 cups of water and put this shield on and got it going really fast for exactly 5 minutes. In the meantime, I prepped a large baking sheet with parchment paper and some spray oil. After 5 minutes, I stopped the mixer and it looked perfect, nice and thick peaks. I blobbed it on here to make some rolls and made 8 of them. And I put it in the oven for 22 minutes, and this is how they came out. I was shook. This is better than any keto bread I've ever bought. And I need you guys to sit down right now for these macros. This made enough for 8 sandwiches, and the bread for each sandwich, 105 calories, 20 grams of protein, 0 carbs, and 0 fat. There's so many ways to use this. It even makes an angel food cake. Yum!